This is the Redmi Note 8. In today's video, I'm going to unbox it and also review it. Hi guys, I'm Nakul and let's get started. This is the box of the Redmi Note 8. To the back, we have some specs highlights. Now let's open up the box. Here's another box, in which we have case, warranty card, user manual and a SIM ejector tool. Then we have the phone. Let's take it out. This is the Moonlight White variant of the Redmi Note 8. It looks great. And then we have a Type-C 18-watt charger included in the box. And that's it for the box content. Now let's review the phone. The first feature is about display. This phone has got a 6.3 inches IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. The second feature is about cameras. This phone has got a quad camera setup to the back. The first camera is 48 megapixel camera, the second camera is 8 megapixel camera, the third camera is 2 megapixel camera and the fourth camera is 2 megapixel camera. To the front, it has got a 13 megapixel selfie shooter and the selfies are good. The third feature is about battery. This phone has got a 4000 mAh battery with 18-watt charger included in the box with Type-C port. And it takes around 1 hour 45 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. The fourth feature is about processor. This phone has got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor and it runs on MIUI 11 based on Android Pie 9. The fifth feature is about protections. This phone is protected by the Corning's Gorilla Glass 5 to the front as well as the back. And it has got a P2i nano coating. The sixth feature is about storage and RAM. This phone comes in two different variants. One is 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage and the second variant is 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage. This phone has got 3 card slots, 2 for SIM and another one for micro SD card with up to 512GB of extendable storage. The seventh feature is about other highlights. To the bottom of the phone, it has got a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack and the speaker. On the other side, it has got a IR blaster. To the left side of the phone, it has got a card slot. On the other side, it has got the power button and the volume up and down button. To the front, it has got a tiny notch and small bezels. And the phone has got a rear mounted fingerprint sensor and it is fast and accurate. And it also has a face unlock support. The eighth feature is about colors. This phone comes in 4 different colors. One is white, the second color is purple, the third color is blue and the fourth color is black. Finally, the pricing of this product. The 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage is priced at 12,500 rupees and the 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage is priced at 14,500 rupees. And it has got a great specs at this price point. Link for buying the Redmi Note 8 is in the description below. And that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on what you felt about this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.